Hey kids! Let's learn about the switch circuit today. First, remove a small amount of paper backing from the copper tape and start applying the copper tape on the brown trace line. Try to maintain a continuous strip with no cuts. Fold the copper tape at the corners and smoothen with your finger. Now mount the LED to the template, but before you do this, determine which leg of the LED is positive and which leg is negative. After mounting the LED, apply copper tape to both the legs of the LED. Place the battery on the given battery circle with negative side facing down. Fold the corner along the given line and use paper clip to secure the corner. Fold the corner containing the switch to complete the circuit. This project is now complete. Isn't learning fun?